Thank you for supporting us on our second round of fundraising. We are just thrilled that we're able to do this, and we've been able to do this with your help.
Just thank you so much. You know, it's like I said, it's not easy to hear this stuff, but I think it's important to know the plight of, our brothers and sisters in this community.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Looking like $1,000,000, head in the clouds, headed to heaven and hell. I got angels and devils around, demons with reasons to kill my beliefs. I believe in the reason to stay at arm's length. Take it from me, this is c'est la vie. Ultra light beams, yeah, we move it like speed. When the sun explodes, when you be there to save us, you gotta look up, just don't look away. When I close my eyes, we're made up. You gotta look up, don't just look away. Don't look away. I think we took us for granted. I can see you and me used to familiar. When I close my eyes, the planet falls down in front of me without your company. Business is booming, but damn it, hell can be heavenly. Depending on the thing we wouldn't give up to get into heaven. Who cares who's there if you ain't in it?